what is it that we do when we first start, because often that's the juice of how we might often start a painting, but we don't take the time to go, hey, what is this? Because we're wanting to take it to that next level. We're wanting to get to the beauty of it, or the juice of the content. And that's often unconscious. So when we stop and just recognize what's happening, this is one reason I said, do not work on your piece all week. And what are you really attracted to? I know for me, the piece back there behind you and the little drawing that I did next to it, I came in one night and I thought, oh my God, I want it. I want to make it like my little piece. And I'm like, oh, I can't. So I wrote my notes and I wanted to put pink in it really bad. And I came back the next day and I didn't want the pink, but I am going to go with some of the ideas that's going on the right side. So that's me. That's like what's going on in my process. This is where it gets tricky, because then it can become like a tightrope. And that tightrope is, now I'm in my intellect. Oh, I want to make it happen, as letting things emerge. This is called Ever Inward, this class. And that inward is just about recognizing, not judging, not trying to even imitate our own selves, but just watching each step of the process, so we have a better understanding of what is ours. Like, what do we really get to own? The mistakes, the happy accidents, the things that we love, how we paint around something. And that's what's going to happen today, because it's also about risk taking. And each one of you has your own process, and we're learning to recognize what that is.